for apple. B for balloon. C for clock. D for dog. E for envelope. F for frog. G for gift. H for house. I for island. J for jacket. K for kitchen. L for love. M for magnet. N for net. O for ostrich. P for pumpkin. Q for question mark. R for robot. S for sheep. T for torch. U for unicorn. V for van. W for wheel. X for x-ray. Y for yarn. Z for zipper.